So here we got a PC138 US LC. The little unit, it starts good. It's the right size for a lot of people. Little bit of playing into the bucket. I guess I call it a 4-foot bucket. Got the front blade on it. It's got the thumb. It's got everything you want. The air is cooled in the cab. It's 80-some hundred hours. We got pictures of that. Pins feel good. I feel like the rails, I'm going to say that they're probably at least 75% or better. Sprockets, they still got a good blunt edge on them. That undercarriage has got plenty of life left in it. But nothing to be disappointed about. It does everything you ask it to do. They've been into it right here on the bottom, just a little bit there and there, to be expected. That's kind of part of it. This opens up, so I'm sure it's gotten hit a couple times. That's where your grease gun and stuff is. But it's got the sliding door on it, real decent in the cab. Like I say, it does everything you ask it to do, and especially on a hot day like today, it's nice that the air is cold, at least at this time. So it's here on the lot and available.